performing kimchi. Hey, Grace. 나너 좋아해? I like you? Why? Hey guys, so I was deciding if I was gonna do this or not because my life is not that interesting, but welcome to Vlogmas day 1. I'll do weekly vlogs for you guys. So today I guess we're going to Mall of Georgia. That's what my boyfriend said. I just drove to Athens to see him, and then we're driving to Mall of Georgia to go shopping for 3 hours, he said. So I'll take you guys along. I don't know. No! Stupid! Guys, my battery's flashing. I'll try to get some clips. Bye! So guys, I tried this on because I thought it was a fit and flare dress, but this is not a fit and flare dress. And it's not that flattering. Maybe if I was here, but even so, it looks like my skin is shiny. So, no thank you. Okay, this does nothing for me, and I would size up so it fits looser, but I wish it was another color. Hey guys, it is Vlogmas day 7. I need to fix these sleeves, but I'm going to meet one of my best friends, and so I thought I'd show y'all the look and take y'all along. So you guys already know this top is from Shein, pants are from Old Navy, shoes are from Shein, my combat boots, earrings from Shein. I'm such a small YouTuber, but like I would want my first sponsorship to be Shein. That's what I feel. But I did a light look. My friend told me she wasn't looking cute, and I was like, oh, you should have told me before I did all this. So I did a more nude lip rather than I was gonna do a deep burgundy to match my purse, but I decided to change it. So I'll see you guys there. You guys, so I'm at the mall with my best friend, and she was trying to get this purse, and I was like, oh, that's God that you can't reach it. So she steps on this thing, right, she steps on this board, the whole thing falls, and I'm like, bruh. I literally start walking over there, I'm like, I don't know you, I don't know who you are.
We're gonna get this purse today, okay?
I like that. That's cute. That's a cute color. I'll hold your bag, ma'am.
Thank you.
I'm your boyfriend today. I'm boyfriend today at the mall. So. Hey, Rahab. Yeah. So, this is a very short shopping journey. Oh, I hate editing. And now we're going to Cheesecake Factory because we're hungry.
Yeah, I can't even shop anymore.
I'm so hungry.
What are you gonna get, Kim?
I don't know, something delicious. So guys, we're at the Cheesecake Factory and they didn't know about the brown bread. How many times have you eaten at the Cheesecake Factory?
It's like my third time.
How many times have you eaten at the Cheesecake Factory? Absolutely not. You should have had the brown bread. It's so good. I forgot it. So I ordered me and my best friend's drink, and I ordered the wrong one for myself and the right one for her, and I'm like low-key mad because her drink tastes better than mine. This is mine kind of low-key tastes like cough syrup a little bit, and then hers is so good. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. Big, huge piece.
Yeah. I didn't want to have 2 bites.